Keep your backpack under your desk during lectures. Keep your backpack under your desk during lectures.
Athletes train daily to improve their strength and stamina. Athletes train daily to improve their strength and stamina.
She forgot to bring her notes for the presentation today. She forgot to bring her notes for the presentation today.
University scholarships are available for outstanding academic achievement. University scholarships are available for outstanding academic achievement.
Please bring your lab coat for the session. Please bring your lab coat for the session.
Global warming is causing ice sheets to melt rapidly. Global warming is causing ice sheets to melt rapidly.
They introduced a new policy to improve student attendance records. They introduced a new policy to improve student attendance records.
Our library has extended its hours for exam season. Our library has extended its hours for exam season.
He was awarded a scholarship for academic excellence. He was awarded a scholarship for academic excellence.
Social media influences public opinion more than we realize. Social media influences public opinion more than we realize.
Computers have become an essential part of everyday life today. Computers have become an essential part of everyday life today.
Vaccination programs help prevent the spread of deadly diseases. Vaccination programs help prevent the spread of deadly diseases.
Reading historical texts can help us understand cultural shifts. Reading historical texts can help us understand cultural shifts.
Astronomers observed a comet heading towards Earth's orbit. Astronomers observed a comet heading towards Earth's orbit.
Trade agreements impact national economies and labor conditions. Trade agreements impact national economies and labor conditions.
Renewable energy sources are gaining traction worldwide. Renewable energy sources are gaining traction worldwide.
They measured temperature variations using digital instruments. They measured temperature variations using digital instruments.
Space telescopes provide clearer views of distant galaxies. Space telescopes provide clearer views of distant galaxies.
New findings suggest a link between sleep and brain health. New findings suggest a link between sleep and brain health.
They investigated historical documents for accurate information. They investigated historical documents for accurate information.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.